Want a Bitcoin address on your phone? I'll show you how in 1 minute. First, pick a trusted mobile wallet like Blue Wallet, Electrum, or Samurai. Open the App Store or Google Play and install your chosen wallet app. Launch the app and tap Create New Wallet, then choose Bitcoin. Set a strong app PIN or biometric lock to protect access right away. Choose a standard wallet and tap Generate to create your first Bitcoin address. The app displays your seed phrase. Write these 12 or 24 words down immediately. Do not store the seed in cloud storage or as a photo. Keep it offline and private. Confirm your seed by re-entering the words when prompted to verify backup. Tap Receive to display your Bitcoin address and QR code for incoming payments. Share only the public address or QR. Never share your seed or private keys. Recap. Use a trusted app, set a PIN, back up the seed offline, and test with a small amount first.